Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast good. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of thick-cut bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a dash of vanilla extract. These foundational items are key to a delicious outcome. Using quality ingredients makes all the difference, so opt for fresh eggs and a good quality bread. This simple combination creates a rich, flavorful base for your perfect breakfast. Now let's prepare our custard. In a shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a dash of vanilla extract until well combined. Make sure there are no streaks of egg white. Next, gently place each slice of bread into the custard, allowing it to soak for about 15 to 20 seconds on each side. This ensures the bread absorbs enough liquid without becoming soggy, creating that perfect custardy interior. With your bread perfectly soaked, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter, letting it melt and coat the surface evenly. Once the butter is shimmering, carefully place your soaked bread slices onto the pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. This step creates a slightly crispy exterior with a soft, warm center. Your delicious French toast is ready. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings. A drizzle of warm maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, and some fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries are always fantastic choices. You can also try a dollop of whipped cream or a dusting of cinnamon. Remember to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly golden French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.